based on actual events as recorded in the Book of Mormon, another testament of Jesus Christ.
We have fasted much and prayed much that the Lord might grant unto us a portion of his Spirit. Remember the Lord's promise to our father, that many shall believe on our words, and he will deliver us out of the hands of the Lamanites. The Lord said unto us, if we are patient in our long suffering and afflictions, and show forth good examples unto them, we will witness the salvation of many souls. Lord, grant unto us a portion of thy Spirit to go with us and abide with us, that we might be an instrument in thy hands to bring, if it is possible, our brethren, the Lamanites, to the knowledge of the truth.